It seems like everyone forgot that we carry more than wallets in our pockets, which leads to all types of clutter. And modern wallets don't really help, as they focus only on cards. So we decided to do something about it. We had an idea to create something bold and different. Something that could actually carry your items instead of adding to the clutter. Big enough to take what you need and small enough to fit in your pocket. Introducing the Sidekit, the first of its kind modular pocket organizer, with the capacity to carry your essentials in one simple location. Keys, bills, cards, fobs, and more. Magnetic mods help you organize. Use a divider to section items. Hidden mini storage slides out for meds or mints, and the money clip to secure bills. And use the cable tie for loose wires. Plus a card wallet, perfect for your commute. Detach it when you need it, giving you quick access to cards, allowing you to pay or scan with ease. The Sidekit allows you to declutter your desk, counter space, and travel space, and also fits in pockets of all kinds. Whether you need a spot for your jewelry or a place for work-related items, the Sidekit is easily modified to match your routine. It's water-resistant and made with recyclable materials. And we are ready to bring this product to life, but we need your support. Back us today and be one of the first to own a Sidekit.